Tesla suit. What is it exactly?
This is a VR haptic suit that transmits tactile sensations from virtual reality and games to your body.
Now tell me where. Where I'm touching. Where was it?
It's actually, I was just about to go in a dance.
What about now?
Oh, this is really cool.
See? It's immediate as well.
It's really cool.
So the moment we touch it, he feels it.
Actually feel like you want to move.
Yeah. So if you hold your hand like this, point the camera, I can move the fingers, see?
Whoa.
I can move the muscles, so I'm controlling them.
Yesterday I had another experience there, and it was just putting a VR glass about having two hands on the feet. One hand is not working, and the patient kind of simulates the other hand.
Yeah.
I was feeling very good about it, but it was virtual, as you rightly said.
Yeah.
Right? It was a feeling that your hand is starting to move, but I didn't get any feedback. And now I'm saying, put the headset on, that what I saw, plus
and
this one on.
doing it.
This is brilliant, man.
So it's a combination of things.
Really awesome.
And the idea is that we can adapt this according to your range of motion. So if you've got no movement or limited movement in your left arm, we can adapt the game appropriately. At the moment it's set up for a bit of fun for anybody who wants to play. Yeah, it could be for elderly care, it could be somebody who has an injury or a disability. It's been designed by neurological physiotherapists for stroke, but there's also cognitive elements built in there too, and communication.
So you're both dialed into the same scene. You can see each other. He's over there, yeah. It's got my name. And the platform hosts its own VoIP server, so you send out a session invite, you send it out to 10 people, you can jump into the scene, you can load in 2D assets, you could load in PDFs or spreadsheets or traditional video, you could load in 3D assets like 360 videos or 3D models like we're looking at now.
At that event we decided that with the growth in AR, robotics and future technologies, we decided to merge virtual reality into a future technologies show. But we want to keep it where it's business, creative, brand, everything together in one space. We're not interested in a show that's just focused on a vertical, we're interested in collaboration. So where a VR artist meets a VR manufacturer and a brand, and they come together to create something amazing, that's really important.
This is a factory of Skoda, part of the Volkswagen Group. And what you see around here is a typical setup for a logistics process called pick by frame. And what we did is we created a VR training.
This is the place where, this is the menu where you can choose how you drape the maps over the mountains. And this is just one site. There are 6 such sites.
Firstly, we start off with the LED light, which is at the top. And this basically provides the visuals for the actual color of the drink. It provides users with that kind of preconception of what the flavor might be inside. Secondly, from the base of the device, we have 3 micro air pumps, which push scented smells all the way through the device up to the top vent here, which pushes scents to the nose of the user. So we can provide them with different flavor profiles purely based on the smells. And thirdly, we also have the digital taste interface, which are these two electrodes on the front. And basically, they are providing the microampere current, which is running through the user's taste buds. And this is how we kind of change users' perceptions of the taste when they're drinking. The first preset. So if you'd like to try it now, I can hold this. So this is tequila smell, just over soda. Let me just put it in.
It's actually
It's got
smelling
tequila
like
in
the
it.
drink.
Yeah, but there's just soda water.